Hi, I'm Aidman, and in this continuing series of videos on settlement strategies, I want to discuss something that's really fundamental. It may seem obvious, but because it's so fundamental, we should talk about it. And that is, in every personal injury case, and really in any litigation, there are two basic components. One is liability, one is damages. You have to have both. If you've got clear liability, it's a rear-end car accident, you're good. You still have to, though, prove damages. If you've got difficult liability, okay, it's a red light, green light case. He said she went through the red light. She said he went through the red light. Now you've got disputed liability. Or if you've got a slip and fall on the sidewalk, well, why didn't the plaintiff see the ice that they slipped on? So you've got disputed liability. If you've got disputed liability and the damages are either not very serious or there's a whole bunch of pre-existing injuries that they can blame the complaints on, oh, you weren't really hurt in the car accident, you were hurt because you had 7 prior car accidents, or you're 68 years old and you've got already all kinds of arthritis going on, so now you want to blame this slip and fall. Of course, the plaintiff responds, yeah, I'm blaming the slip and fall. Of course, I'm 68, and of course I got hurt. Yes, I had underlying issues, but they were really triggered by the defendant's negligence. So liability, damages are two separate things, and they both figure into how you look at settlement. If liability is solid, then you're just left with the damages calculation. But if liability is difficult, then you're talking about discounting the value. A case that's got clear liability that's worth $10,000, if it's got disputed liability, it's worth less than $10,000. If it's a 50-50 shake, then maybe it's worth $5,000. So I know it's very, very basic, and you probably already understood it, but it's a fundamental thing to look at in exploring settlement strategies.